Man called Scissor. Mr. Scissor. Man called Scissor. Mr. Scissor. Man called Scissor. Mr. Scissor.
Welcome back, everybody. We have another one. I promise I'm not gonna stop giving y'all my opinion on these clippers, no matter who doesn't like them. Here today we have the KM-2030 by Kemei. I seen it on there and I was looking at it. It seemed pretty cool, so I said, why not? I think it was about $35. I was grabbing a couple at the time so that I could stack up on reviews for you guys and videos and content. I decided to grab this little guy right here. Little guy. This thing's pretty chunky. It looks cool. Once it's in my hand, it feels a little cheap. The weight is there. I don't know, something about it feels cheap. Maybe it's roundness and smoothness. Doesn't feel like a well-made clipper meant for a barber to cut all day. It has a nice click lever. Wouldn't say it opens very wide, but it's your usual. And you can see the motor in there with the copper coil. It has USB-C, and as you've seen, comes with a dock. Not bad for the price. When I got it, I was honestly surprised at the way it cut. It cuts pretty good out the box. I was expecting it not to cut good like some of the past Kemeis we did, but it actually did really good. I was pleasantly surprised. No dragging, no nothing. Turn it on. You have, what is that, 9,900 RPMs and 9,000 RPMs. So they're claiming 9,000 RPMs and 10,000 RPMs. A little turbo button. I think it's ugly, but it cuts good. Fits all the guards I use. I'd say it's not bad for the price. Somebody cutting their hair at home. I don't think the barbers would like it, to be honest, but it is a 10-watt clipper, 5 volts, 2 amps, charging time 2.5 hours. Shows your battery display right there. I don't have too much to say about it. I don't want to make these videos long if I don't have to. If you like green, it's a very cheap clipper, and it cuts pretty well. Fits all the wall guards, the gamma magnet guards, basically all the guards that everybody's using at the moment. Not bad, not great, feels cheap. I don't like the vibration sound that it makes. Has a very loud vibrating hum to it. But it's not bad. It comes with all the stuff that I like, which is battery display that even shows the RPM in the display, USB-C. Yeah, I don't like the color scheme. I'm not into the bright colors, especially green and gold. Not much to it. It cuts pretty well. Didn't have no problems. It didn't get dull. Did its thing. Seems very strong. Nice clicky lever. It feels solid. It feels solid. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall apart on me, but it doesn't feel like the most high-end clipper. And that's all I really have to say. Not much. We're gonna keep this one very short and simple. I'm not gonna do any intros for these, unboxing, none of that. Sometimes I'll do some of the unboxings on my shorts, but it's just quick unboxing. I don't think any of that really matters. We're here to find out if the clipper is amazing. Does it cut good? Is it worth grabbing? This one may be worth it to some, but I wouldn't say it's going to be worth it to the barbers out there. But you never know. If you like collecting them, it's not horrible. You might want to check it out. But that's it. We're not even going to do outros. We don't need to sit there and talk. I don't need to be in your face talking. The clipper does its job. It's not the best cut, but it's not the worst cut. It doesn't snag, it doesn't hang up, it doesn't feel like it drags. It's a decent clipper. Overall, I don't like holding it. It doesn't feel good in my hand. It feels kind of cheap in my hand. I probably won't be using this one much now, so hope that helps. If any of you guys were looking at this specific clipper, and if not, there you go. Now you know about it. Just gonna keep it moving. We're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Like I said, short, simple, to the point. That's it. And like always, I want to thank y'all for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, and continue to subscribe and help this channel grow. And we will catch you on the next one.